Sleepover is only for b****s. Oh, they're so and can they stay? OK, but you must promise you'll stay. We promise. Wow, a piano. I'm having lessons. Listen. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Can I have a go? And me. Twinkle, twinkle, little. How I wonder what you are.
Shush! You must be quiet so Daddy Zebra can. Now, into your sleeping bags, please.
Snap! I win again. You. I did not. You. We will never be friends again.
I think it's about time you two made it up. Peppa, say sorry to Susie.
Only if she says first. Only if she says first.
I know. I'll count to 3 and you can both say at the same time.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Now you can be best friends again.
Hooray!